Hey, I'm at 1639 Seivers, and this is in Shady Brook. If you're looking for a home that's about a mile from Eastport and a mile from Middleton, this home is for you. $357,000. And I'll show you that when I turn around. They got a little peekaboo water view. All right, so let's go on in and check it out. All right, so definitely a looker. We have, all right, obviously there's an echo. They took all the furniture out. Everything's been cleaned. We have LVP flooring throughout except in the bedrooms. We have carpet. And this is a Pebble Beach floor plan. This is immediately in the entranceway to the right. Bedroom, whatever you want to call it, 2 or 3. Storage, guest bath. And also, I'll drop in the notes about the bond and the CDD. This is Sumter Wildwood tax basis. This obviously would be a home for anyone. It could be full-time residence, snowbird home, or if you're looking for an investment and you want to have a rental property. Both of the second and third bedroom are in the front of the home. But if you were thinking about turning this maybe into a rental and you're not sure how to do that, I do have a course teaching you how to get into the short-term rental business, everything you need to know from business setup to fitting it out with furniture. I have lists of everything I used in my rental, how to write a great script and professional photos so you can get the greatest amount of occupancy, make the most money. So you want to check that out. I'll put a link over here or down below. All right. So you see, this is a big kitchen. They have a lot of cabinet space, tall ceilings, LED lights. And check this out. Ooh, that's a garbage disposal. Look at that pantry. Look how huge that is. And you can see everything here. That backyard has room for a pool. Now, this is Bar Avenue. You cannot hear the road inside of the home. And there's traffic on it during the day, but at night, there's nothing. And like I said, you could walk to Eastport if you wanted to. You could take your golf cart. It's very close. This community is very active. You're gonna see a lot of hustle bustle here, bikes, walkers, pickleball players, everything is here. And look, you also have more water view. There's a pond. Okay, you can't see across the street, but I'm gonna show you a home up the street. They took this backyard and really turned it into something spectacular if you're looking to put a pool in your home. All right, so now off of the kitchen, this is the primary suite. No popcorn, of course, because we are south of 44. This is Shady Brook, and it's right on the border of Moultrie Creek. Dual sinks. These are great cabinets, and the quartz is black, has a really nice fleck tone in it. Shower. So if you want to be in the center of the action, you definitely want to jump on this property. Look at this big walk-in closet. Window treatments, ceiling fans, all are included. Take one more span around here. I'm gonna take you out into the garage. This is a big living room too. You get a lot of furniture in there. It's a big wall for a TV. You can put the TV on this wall. A lot of different configurations. All right. Let's go. Laundry room interior. Washer and dryer remain. Yeah, if you need to give me a call about buying the house, there was my name and number. Yeah, and this is a 2-car garage. We're south of 44, so we do have tankless hot water. Every home has irrigation, and you got a little bump there. So you have some extra storage if you need to put a freezer in there, a tool shed, a tool chest, I should say, anything there. You do have the room for that. And then we also have attic storage. Alrighty, now we are going to take a peek outside, and it's January. It's a little chilly for us Floridians here. There's my girl. All right, there's the water there. You can see the pretty landscaping that they have out here. And there's some extra paver area. They do have gutters. Hey, everything, their landscaping really survived the cold that we've had. Some of my flowers died. I know I didn't wrap them up well. Oh, I didn't wrap them up. That's probably why. I do love the dark windowsills, or the windows, I should say. So like I said, you see this backyard. You could enclose this, but if you look right past that truck, you see where that palm tree is there? They added on to that home, built a wall around it, put a pool in there. I sold a home similar. They did kind of something the same over in Case and Hammock a couple years ago. And look, this road is not like Morse. This is, 20, 30 miles an hour. And I'm on this road a lot. It's not very crowded. I don't think noise is going to be an issue. But again, that's all subjective. But this is such a prime location. Oh, there's Todd's drone. This home's only a couple of years old. Oh, there you go. And that's west. Well, are you ready to make an offer yet? I just got a text message. No, I'm just kidding. Thank you very much for joining me on this home tour. If you enjoyed it, I think you might want to stay. Check out this series that I did about the bond, the CDD, the amenity fee. I call it the money map. And I devote one video to each topic. Check out this one on the bond so you know what you're doing when you're buying a home here in the Villages, Florida. And don't forget, if you like this video, subscribe so you make sure you get a notification when I put the next video out. All right, until next time, I'll see you.